Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to lock your SIM card with PIN on the Redmi A3 Pro. To lock your SIM card with PIN, go to Settings, then go to Fingerprints, Face Data and Screen Lock, then Privacy, More Security Settings, then click on your SIM card and enable lock SIM. Now enter the PIN that was either here by default or previously enabled. I've entered an incorrect one, so let's try again. Okay, and now it works and it's on. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.